I think the primary message about pesticides that we want to convey is their enormous importance in this country for over 100 years. We've produced picture-perfect produce in the United States, apples and peaches and cherries, thanks to pesticides. Consumers have really benefited from an adequate diet, rich in vegetables and fruits, because pesticides have been used. The misconceptions about pesticides generally revolve around their risks. And people are concerned about the risks. They read stories in the newspapers about this study or that study where some risk has been discussed about pesticides, usually using test animals really high doses that are totally unrealistic in the real world. These chemicals are the most tested chemicals from health, safety, and environmental standpoint. 140 different tests that they have to pass. And you know, when EPA puts a label on a pesticide product, they say there's a reasonable certainty that no harm will result. What more could you ask for? The growing world population will benefit enormously from the use of pesticides. More food will be produced. There's tremendous losses in food production in Africa and Asia and Latin America due to weeds and insects and diseases. And pesticide use, regular pesticide use in those countries like we use in the United States, would solve those problems, would double and triple food production. Organic farming has gotten a lot of attention in the press, and it has a niche out there. There's a niche for folks who believe that they want to eat produce and foodstuffs that are produced organically without the use of synthetic chemicals. The problem with organics is that there's more labor that has to be used in an organic system, and there are tremendous shortages right now in labor for agricultural purposes. Yields are lower in the organic systems. There's more erosion. It may not be technology that we want to support, but certainly from the standpoint of there being a niche for it that's accurate, organic farming can never feed the world.